Dime Peter.
And tonight for level 1, we reviewed some fabulous steps. Watch last week's video. Then we did a swing up and close and a circle from open.
Hey.
Hey.
Nailed it.
It's still a work in progress. Just get that practice in your minds. But instead of just practicing in place, you can do
This leader's rock. Step, triple, step, 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 triple step. That's the swing out where I kind of go down the line with this thing, and the circle is a different shape. Do it more in place.
followers.
460.
We practiced this thing, which is weird, but then we did a rock step, turning, but still going this way. A rock step, turning. We even try where we move forward, just in case the leaders are moving us. Hey.
So we're here, so you guys will try that again. Then we try swinging right back out. Leaders, you must persist in stepping this way to send them down the line.
That's